I'm such a fan of Piña Coladas, so when it's just a little bit too early to pull out the blender and drink mixes, this tasty little breakfast in a jar is a pretty delicious alternative. Add the oats, ground flax seeds, shredded coconut, chopped pineapple, light coconut milk, vanilla extract, maple syrup, and coconut yogurt. Give that a really good stir until everything is well combined. From here, you can either keep the mixture in the bowl or transfer it to a jar. I like using jars as they make for easy transport and they just fit better in my fridge. Once you've filled your jar, add any and all other desired toppings and leave it in the fridge overnight. I used toasted coconut flakes and fresh pineapple chunks here, but if you want it a little less sweet or with more chewy bits, add some extra unsweetened shredded coconut or skip the extra pineapple. Banana slices would be really yummy here too for some extra tropical vibes. These Piña Colada overnight oats are an explosion of pineapple and coconut with some serious tropical summer vibes.